In this video, we are going to go over the latest feature updates for our most recent TMS release. We're going to start out with an AI rate confirmation parser that we have added to save you time on data entry. And the way that it is going to work is you are going to have the ability to simply drag and drop your rate cons directly into order planning here, or an open order that is new, and you are going to see a rate con parse preview that you're going to be able to compare and contrast the fields that are parsed there on the left hand side versus the actual rate con. So the AIUs typically runs about 10 to 15 seconds on average, and as you can see, general info there parsed. If anything is missing, you can edit and add it here on the left hand side. And if there is no information on the rate con that is applicable to the field, then of course it won't be parsed as well. So you are going to be double checking your stops, your picks and drops, shipper and consignee info, addresses from and to, as well as the rates and any projected mileage and rate per miles if that was included on the rate con. You have an ability to, again, make any last minute changes and adjust, as well as add any additional stops with that basic stop format that we have within the TMS. So whether it's a pickup or a delivery, again, your address and your planned from and to times, as well as a phone contact. If we want to remove anything here, I can click on the garbage can and it's brought me back to the original. So you will be able to then save the order. If you have any potential duplicate locations, the system will then show you a suggested intermediate pop-up that will cross-reference the saved locations that you have within your TMS, and you will be able to select which ones you want to use to then avoid any duplicate entries there. So when you click on save, this will then create a new order for you, which will pop up automatically, and you can carry on as usual. So hopefully that will save very valuable time within that data entry process. You are going to be able to then purchase credits for this rate confirmation parsing if that's something that you would like to use under your typical billing section within the preferences. So now you are going to see lines for rate con parser credits here at the top with a price and an ability to purchase more. So you're going to be inputting the amount of credits that you'd like, and when you click OK, you will then see a transaction history here with how many credits were purchased and then how many you have remaining there at the top left. So we are going to be improving the functionality of this, as well as gathering some feedback from the folks that are using it. So let us know if you have any additional questions in regards to that specifically. We have two additional features with this TMS release. One is going to be in regards to express codes that are tied to an order. So if we go into an order and we wanted to create an express code, we will now have a cross link here through a checkbox at the bottom to automatically add an accessorial that is tied to that specific express code. Again, in hopes of eliminating a few clicks here in that process of potential double entry of something that is linked to another entity within the TMS. Here, for example, that express code that can potentially be linked to an accessorial as well. And the last adjustment here with this release is going to be in regards to editing images. So now an uploaded image, when you are viewing it, you will have this little blue pencil here in order to edit. When you click on it, you will be able to crop, grayscale, as well as then rotate again that image. You can save it by clicking the green checkbox here, or discarding any changes by clicking the red X. And that concludes the latest features on our most recent TMS update. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.